Hi and welcome. In this video, we are going to see installation guide for IGSS version 60. IGSS stands for Interactive Graphical SCADA System and it is software from Schneider. Here I have downloaded IGSS version 16. Okay, and here I have extracted this file in this folder, and if we open this folder, we will find CD image folder, and inside the CD image folder, we will find setup.exe. Okay, so if you want to install the IGSS version 16, you have to double click on this setup.exe. Okay, now this is the IGSS installation wizard. So we have to press next to start the installation. Okay, so some of the software is already installed in my system, so it is not going to install that software in my system, and it has started installing Microsoft C++ runtime software in my system. So we have to wait until all the process get completed. Okay, so this is the setup wizard for IGSS 32.16.0. Okay, so to install this, we have to press next, and after that we have to accept the license agreement. So we will tick this checkbox and then we will press next. Now this is the installation path for IGSS 32 version 16.0, and if you want to change this installation path, you can change by clicking on this button. Otherwise you can leave it as it is and you can press next and you can start installing IGSS 32 version 16.0. Okay, so now you have to select the station type for your IGSS. Okay, so as per the instruction, user new to IGSS are advised to start as a demo station. Okay, so we will tick this radio button, run the IGSS demo, and then we will press next, and then we will select the IGSS V50. So IGSS V50 is a kind of license that you can use this IGSS for free up to 50 tags. Okay, so that is why we are going to select IGSS V50. So you can use this SCADA free. So you can use this SCADA as a free up to 50 tags, and you don't have to pay anything to Schneider, or you don't have to buy or purchase any license from Schneider to use this software. And you can use and test this software up to 50 tags. So we will press next, and then our IGSS is installed successfully. So we will press on finish, and it will install the hard lock driver, and then after our installation get finished. Okay, our Sentinel driver installation is done, so we will press OK here, and you can see this installation wizard is finalizing the installation. Okay, so you can see this pop-up. IGSS installation has completed. Do you want to run IGSS update program to get the latest version of the IGSS software? And if you want to download the update, you can click on yes. And I don't want to download the update now. This video is just for the installation purpose. So we will press no. Okay, so here you can see setup has completed. Would you like to reboot? So we don't like to reboot it now, so we will press no. Okay, so we will go to start, and you can see here IGSS is installed successfully in our system, and we will scroll down and you can see IGSS 16.0, and here IGSS is available. So this is how you can install the IGSS version 16. Now if you want to download the IGSS version 16.0 or the older version, then you can go to our website. You can go to software download section, and then you can navigate to Schneider, and here you will find the download link. So if you want to download IGSS version 16, then here is the download link. If you want to download IGSS version 15, then here is the download link. And if you want to download version 14, then also here you will find the download link. And if you want to visit the IGSS website, then here is the website, and you can download the IGSS from here. And when you press this download IGSS, it will download IGSS version 16.0. Okay, I'll give you the download link and our website link in the description of this video, so you can go there and you can download from there. Okay, so we will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.